so today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT appropriately to do your SBAs, your CSEC Visualize SBAs. You can also use it for other subjects, probably social studies, but this is specifically for visual arts.
Arts Workfly.
So I already typed in a prompt. So I said list out 10 Jamaican famous painters and the types of painting and art that they do. If you're doing CSEP visual arts and you want to find an artist, you can simply ask ChatGPT about the different type of artist. So if you don't want any Jamaican artist and you probably want some other artist, you can also type in that. Okay, so I type in that and I got Barrington Watson. He was known for his vibrant and expressive paintings and sculptures that explore Jamaican culture, history, and politics. So let's say you're doing your 6 pieces, right? And it's about culture, history, and politics. You know that Barrington Watson would be the best. If not, you can choose Edna Manley. So let's say you're doing landscapes. Edna Manley would be a good artist for you, alright? If you're doing, it goes on, alright? So what I did was to type in the prompt. So I'm gonna type in 10 artists in Trinidad. I should have put in famous, but you can always put in that if you like. Let's see what ChatGPT says.
Hands that guide and hearts that feel through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory.
Alright guys, so these are 10 artists in Trinidad. So if you're very lazy and you don't want to research the research for yourself, just ask ChatGPT. Have this pinned on your computer, and whenever you need to do some research, just type in your question and it will do the research for you. So this is one example of how you can use ChatGPT appropriately to do your CSEC visual arts. Alright, so let's go back to this one. So let's say you are a student and you're doing Barrington Watson, right? Barrington Watson is your artist. You can type in his name and ask. I already asked it, but I'm gonna show you again. No, you know what? Let me try somebody different. I'm gonna try Edna Manley. And you're going to put Edna Manley biography, right? Edna Manley biography.
Together we are Art Workfly.
And it's writing it for you guys.
Brushstrokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light. Dreams take flight with every try. Spread your wings.
Alright guys, now I wouldn't advise you to copy the exact thing from ChatGPT. What you can do is to copy the information that you have gotten, open a document, a Google Docs or whatever you're using. If you're using Windows, I don't have Windows on this, so I'm using Google Docs. Then you paste that information, right? Before you do anything else, change it to what I recommended for you guys. So it would be 12, it would be Times New Roman, it would be double spaced, and yeah, so it will be double spaced. No, so this is the information that you got from ChatGPT, right, about Edna Manley. You can change up each sentence, right? So let's say for example this first sentence here, you can start off by saying Edna Manley, copy, was born born copy. Alright, so guys, you could change it like this. So instead of having it like this, you could put it like this. Alright guys, in England, and you can then further take this out. Then you can put she, probably can even copy the same one here. Copy the same sentence. Copy. V, delete, or you could cut it. She moved to Jamaica in 1920s after marrying Norman Manley, right? And how you can add this now, you could say cut. Edna Manley was a pioneer Jamaican sculptor. Edna Manley eventually became a pioneer Jamaican sculptor, painter, and cultural activist. Alright, so you could change up each sentence. You see how it's different from what ChatGPT had recommended? So you can always use ChatGPT to do your SBA, you know, but change it up, make it your thing, do your own rewording of the information. Okay guys, so this is one way you can use ChatGPT to do your SBA, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you some other ways that you can use ChatGPT to do your SBs. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.